Hi guys, it's Moz here for Moz6510 Models. On the workbench today, a little bit different. I've gone back right to the bottom of my pile of catalogues. I pulled out this Matchbox AMT kit catalogue from 1980-1981. Inside here are all the sort of kits that Matchbox were producing back in the day. So if you've not been on this channel before, that's basically what I do. I go to my stash, pick out a catalogue, and I film it page by page so you can see what was in it and just to see what was being produced by Matchbox this time round in this era, 1980, 1981. Now it's got AMT in it, so I presume there's going to be some AMT kits in here as well. So there might be a lorry and a car, etc. Says so here on the front. So it won't just be like the planes that they did back in the day. It's going to be more of the a bit of a mix really of what's in this catalogue. I've tried to film in the best quality possible. Best way to see it is to go to the cog settings, click quality and select 1080p. If you want to slow the video down because I'm turning the pages a little bit too quickly, you can do by going to the cog settings again, clicking playback speed and selecting 0.5 or 0.25. You can obviously press pause at any time and then press play once you've seen what's on that page. Only 10% of you folks are subscribers, and it would really help the channel if you could just click that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I release a new video, ring the bell and select all. And to remember, to subscribe to this channel is absolutely free. So let's get to it. This is the Matchbox 1980-81 kit catalogue. Enjoy. So there you are, that was the catalogue. Some lovely pieces in here. This catalogue's a little bit rough because it's been stapled badly. It has been stapled badly, but you've got nearly, was it 70 pages in here? You've got the colour chart, and basically it's more about pricing. The Matchbox kits are provided in various colour ranges, each kit in a colour range being the same price. So all purple kits are one price, or orange range kits are another price. And sometimes the moldings had different colours in them, so that you didn't have to buy paint. So even if you modelled it and built it, you didn't have to actually paint it, because the models were, the plastic was different colours. And there you are. So you've got father and son there looking over. He's lost his laptop somewhere, right? So because no way would you be building models with a shirt and tie on. So I'm assuming he's just got home from work and his son's built these lovely kits to show him, you know. Quickly going through, you can see they stop at their ships, and then their motorcycles, you know, they are class, you know, no two ways about it. It's mostly box art in this catalogue, but you've seen that already because you've already seen the flick through. Some of these scale models, these planes are reboxed by Revell. So look on Scale Mates, they'll tell you which one's which. Some of them, you know, do get reboxed. I think a lot of them do get reboxed now, these Matchbox ones by Revell. So if you don't get them in a Matchbox box, you're going to get them in a Revell box. Okay. There you go. So all through the planes, they've got some lovely planes. There's the Hawker Siddeley Hawk there. They've got the Curtis P40. All your box standard stuff is in this catalogue, the same way as, you know, what you would find in an Airfix catalogue, really, when it comes to the planes. Moving on through, there's the BAC Lightning, which is this one here. That one there, that's the Lightning. Different decals on this one, though, by that one. But as you can see, you had two decal schemes. You had this one here, you had Kuwaiti Air Force and the Saudi Air Force. So, but you can pick up different decal sheets for different. Which reminds me, why I say this now is that the challenge will be starting soon. Buy yourself an EE Lightning or a BAC Lightning, because you could be in line to winning one of these woven patches, and there will be 50 available for those who just want, if you complete the challenge of building one of these planes. And you can buy one of these for, I think it's £10, which includes postage anywhere around the world. If you're in the UK, it will be about £7, but anywhere else in the world there'll be £10, and you can earn one of these. But there will be winners who will get one of these woven patches for free. I'm hopefully going to do it for the 10,000 subscriber. I'm not too sure yet. I'm up and down what I'm going to do with that challenge, but I've got the patches ready now. So there you are. Moving on forwards now after that quickly going through back onto their 1 to 700 scale ships, and then the scale military. They did do dioramas as well, as you could actually buy the armor with this like vacuum formed base to put your models on that you can paint, you know. So yeah, it's all quite good. Then so that's all the military there. We'll go through all the military quickly. There you go, some more diorama pieces there. Lovely diorama set that. Moving on to this is the Matchbox AMT stuff now. So there you go. There's the new Matchbox AMT plastic construction kit. So this is basically the new thing where they were bringing out the kits together. Whether Matchbox bought AMT or AMT bought Matchbox, or whether it's just a shaky hand deal to produce, so each of them sold each other's model kits, I don't know. I don't know the history, but if anybody does know, put in the comments box below. There's all their muscle cars. They're stunning stuff, in it, these cars, all American, which I'm surprised, unless, you know, you got an English guy really into it. You know, I think a lot of them would be wanting to build more of the English stuff, like the Jaguars and the Rolls Royces. These are all Chevys, a few Mercedes Benz there. You know, I've never even seen any of these cars on the road, like, you know. There you go. There's some. There you go. Look at that. There's a cat bulldozer there on. I was going to say what the lorry is. Is that a Mack or GMC lorry? So yeah, cracking stuff, really. Look at Ryder. Is Ryder still around? That looks nice. That Caterpillar DH8. That would be a nice one to build if you could. Yeah, cracking stuff here. Low key Trelly. Yeah, so there's quite a bit in this catalogue, as I say. And then you've got the Star Trek The Motion Picture. There's their models there. There's the Klingon Battle Cruiser. And then you've got a Star Trek shuttle. And then you have the Enterprise Was it Mark C or Mark D? Leave it in the comments, whichever one it was. And then you've got their small little range of snap together kits. There's the modelling hints at the back there on how to build a model. And then on the back here, you've got some more of the AMT models there. Can you see that fire engine? Can you see how that the 125 is like reflecting? And there you are. That was the Matchbox Kit Catalogue from 1980/1981. Anyways, if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below and I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.